Oksana is here and today we are going to talk about nouns. So let's begin. What is a noun? The noun is an independent part of speech that indicates a person, thing or phenomenon and answer the question кто, who, что, what. Кто, что. The feature of Russian nouns. Nouns take special gender endings. Nouns have number and case. Some indeclinable nouns have no gender, case or number. In the sentence, the noun can be a subject placed at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence. Let's look at the example. Мой отец работает в институте. Мой отец работает в институте. My father works at the institute. My father, отец. This is a subject at the beginning of the sentence. Another example. На столе лежит книга. На столе лежит книга. The book is on the table. The book, книга, at the end of the sentence. This is a subject. In the sentence, the noun can be an object. Let's have a look at the examples. Nina читает журнал. Nina is reading a journal. Nina читает журнал. Nina читает what? Что? Журнал. This is an object. Another one example. Я знаю Виктора. Я знаю Виктора. I know Victor. I know who. Я знаю кого. Виктора. This is an object. In the sentence, the nouns can be a nominal part of a predicate. Let's have a look. Мой брат студент. My brother is a student. Мой брат студент. My brother is a student. Мой брат, this is a subject. One more example. Москва – столица. Москва – столица. Москва столица. Moscow is a capital. In the sentences, the noun can be an adverbial modifier of time or place. Вчера мы были на выставке. Yesterday we went to the exhibition. Вчера мы были на выставке. Вчера мы были на выставке. Мы были где? Where? На выставке. This is a noun. Летом мы поедем на море. In summer we will go to the sea. Летом. Летом, it means in summer. Летом мы поедем на море. Летом мы поедем на море. Мы поедем куда? Where to? На море. In the sentence, the nouns can be an attribute. Look at this example. Вот здание университета. That is university building. Вот здание университета. Вот здание университета. Это словарь сестры. Это словарь сестры. This is my sister dictionary. Это словарь сестры. Это словарь сестры. Okay. The nouns correlate with adjectives, pronouns, participles in gender, number, and case. They are also able to subordinate a verb as well as to correlate with it. And now, guys, let's talk about the classes of nouns. The first one, it will be common and proper nouns. Common nouns are generalized, the names of people, animals and birds, various natural phenomena and social events. Let's have a look. Let's write down some examples. Мать. Мать, it means mother. Мать, mother. Отец, it means father. Мать, отец. Дитя, child. Дитя, child, okay. What about animals and birds? Elephant, слон, слон. Cat, кошка. Кошка. Соловей, nightingale. Oh, that's not English. Соловей. Nightingale. Nightingale. Various natural phenomena. For example, what should we take? Гром, thunder. Гром. Дождь, rain, дождь. Дождь. We write the letter D, but pronounce T. Дождь. Social events. Выборы, elections. Выборы. Выборы. Or revolution. Революция. Революция. Okay, proper nouns. Always spelled with a capital letter. And proper nouns, it's a name of concrete people, person, animals, and so on. These are people's first name, last names. For example, Alexander Sergeyevich Pushkin. Let's write down Alexander Alexander capital letter Сергеевич, patronymics, Pushkin, last name, Pushkin. Okay. Animals, nicknames. The cat, кошка, Мурка. Мурка. Собака, the dog, Каштанка. Maybe someone have read this story. Каштанка. Каштанка. Okay. Toponyms like Россия, Россия, Москва, yeah, you see? Capital, capital letter, capital, capital, and so on. Maybe some proper names, for example, Новости, news agency, Новости, 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 a proper. Живой язык, publishing house. Живой язык. I would like to mention that some nouns are both common and proper. I give you example. Палех. Палех. The stress is here. Палех. What's that? Палех is a village in Ivanovo region. And Палех, from the small Палех, it's a Russian lacquer miniature. Now it's time to talk about the next class of the nouns, concrete and abstract nouns. Concrete nouns name separate things, phenomena or living creatures. Костюм, suit. Костюм, костюм, suit. Дядя, uncle. Дядя, uncle. Дерево, tree. дерево, tree, stall, table, stall. Concrete nouns combine with collective numerals, and they are countable, and they have a singular form and a plural form. What about abstract nouns? Abstract nouns denote different qualities, different abstract notions. For example, бег, running, бег, running, дружба, friendship, дружба, смех, laughter. And you know, they don't combine with with the collective numerals, but they can go with words like много, много, a lot of, or мало. Мало. It means a little bit. Много горя. Много горя. It means a lot of grief. Мало радости. A little bit of joy. Мало радости. Мало радости, a little bit of joy. Okay, that's it about this class. Okay, and now it's time to talk about the third class of nouns, collective nouns. Let's have a look at the examples. Collective nouns name a lot of human beings or things forming in inseparable unity. For example, mankind, человечество, человечество. The stress is here. Молодежь, youth, молодежь. The stress is here, but this kind of letter in the words always stressed, is always stressed, and we don't need to show this kind of stress. Just remember it. Мебель, мебель. Мебель, it means furniture, furniture, мебель. And you know, collective nouns, they are used only in singular form and don't combine with the collective numerals. The fourth class of nouns, substantial nouns. Substantial nouns name invisible substances. This class of nouns includes food, for example. Let's write down some words. Молоко, milk. Молоко, молоко, молоко. The stress is here. Milk. Сахар, sugar. Сахар, сахар. The stress. Соль, salt. Соль, salt. What else? Chemical elements, for example, iron, железо, железо, железо. The stress is here. Серебро, silver, серебро, серебро. Okay, what else? Agriculture products, of course. Look, onions. Look, potato. potatoes, картофель, 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 the stress. Various materials, кожа, leather, кожа, кожа, песок, sand, песок. Okay, just the groups of substantial nouns, yeah, you see? Okay, some substantial nouns are used only in singular form. For example, вода, water, вода, only in singular, вода, blood, кровь, кровь, and others only in the plural. Сливки, cream, сливки. Сливки. And you know, they don't combine with the collective numerals. And now we need to talk about last one class of nouns, animate and inanimate nouns. Only concrete nouns can be animate or inanimate. What does it mean, animate nouns? Animate nouns name living creatures. People, animals, fish, сестра, сестра, sister, студент, student. Don't write in English. Student, 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 слон, elephant, yeah. Дельфин, dolphin, дельфин, дельфин, dolphin. Nightingale, соловей. Соловей. Inanimate nouns name non-living subjects or phenomena. Let's write down the examples. Город, town, город, город, town. Снег, snow, снег, snow. Трава, grass, and so on. Трава. Animate nouns answers the question кто. Кто. Inanimate answers the question что. Что. But the division nouns into animate and inanimate doesn't fully coincide with the real life division between living and non-living things. Just have a look. For example, in grammar, the names of plants and microorganisms are inanimate nouns. Just dub, oak tree, dub, dub, and virus, 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 virus. These are inanimate nouns, but science considers them to be living, to be living organisms. On the other hand, nouns that name dead objects, for example, dead man, мертвец, мертвец, dead man, мертвец, or killed man, убитый, 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 except the word corpse, труп, except this word grammatically refers animate nouns, except this one, and those indicating entities of people, crowd, толпа, or family, семья, they refers to inanimate nouns. In Russian, the category animateness or inanimateness has its own grammar indices, and that's we will see in Russian cases. Animate nouns are generally masculine or feminine forms, but very rarely it refers to neither gender. Like дитя, child, baby, this is neuter. Животное, animal, the same, neuter. Существо, living creature, the same, neuter. This situation very rarely. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for staying with me and